It's that time again. It is soup time. So instead of grabbing the store-bought, I'm going to teach you how to start to cook outside of the box and make a rich and delicious stock, which is the basis of any memorable soup. So stay tuned, because up next is homemade stock from scratch. The key to great soup is roasting your soup bones. Right here we have a plate of venison bones. All browned up and ready to put in the stock pot. All right, so I cut a piece of cheesecloth, and I'm gonna put down some bay leaves that I harvested from my garden, some parsley, and for some flavor, I'm gonna put in some of these juniper berries and some peppercorns that I actually heated up in a pan to release the oils. And you can tell because if you look at them closely, they're super shiny. That's what they should look like. And then I'm just gonna tie that up and toss that in my stock in a little bundle. In a very large stock pot, you have your bones in it, and you're gonna add some water so it just covers up. Then you're going to add some carrots and some celery. They don't have to be chopped up. Then onions. I leave the peels on because they leave a really nice color on in your broth when you're done. And then our satchel with all of our juniper berries and bay leaves and all that goodness that was toasted up in it. And now we're just going to cover it up and let it cook. So our stock has been cooking for overnight. I cooked it on low overnight to really be able to extract all the flavor from the veggies and the bones. It should have this really, really gorgeous color on it. You can see some of the fat on the top, which is okay for right now because we cooled it off and we're gonna put it in the refrigerator. And when we put it in the refrigerator, then all the fat's gonna come to the top and we can skim it off. And now it's time for the big reveal. Our stock has been in the refrigerator overnight, so we're going to open it up and take a look. And as you can see, all the fat has solidified at the top, which is great. It floated to the top and now it's just frozen there. So we are going to crack it open. It's really easy to take out. Because look, you can just pull the pieces out, put it right here, just like that. Really easy to fish them out. Any pieces of fat, which is great because now you have a nice, healthy stock that you can use. I will probably put this through a cheesecloth or a sieve one more time just to make sure I don't have any impurities or any other little pieces of fat in it. And I'm ready to cook. Time to pour it through a sieve. Not too much, but just a little bit of stuff that you don't want in there, your soup. Now it's time to make soup. Congratulations, you just souped up your culinary skills with this delicious stock that you made from scratch. Now we're gonna take that and these onions for my next lesson in French onion soup. Headed to the stock pot.